NASA has released a report on unidentified flying objects, UFOs, also known as UAPs, that found no evidence that they are from outer space. The report, which was released on September 15, 2023, was the result of a 9-month study by a team of scientists and engineers. The report found that the vast majority of UAPs reported to the government could be explained by natural phenomena, such as meteors, drones, or weather balloons. The report also found that some UAPs may be the result of classified government or commercial programs. The report did not find any evidence that UAPs are from outer space. However, the report did say that the government needs to do more to collect and analyze data on UAPs. The report's release was met with mixed reactions. Some people were disappointed that the report did not provide more definitive answers about UAPs. Others said that the report was a step in the right direction and that it helped to destigmatize the discussion of UAPs. Here are some key findings from the report. The government has collected more than 120 reports of UAPs since 2004. The vast majority of UAPs reported to the government can be explained by natural phenomena. Some UAPs may be the result of classified government or commercial programs. The government needs to do more to collect and analyze data on UAPs.
We'll get started in about a minute.
We are looking for signs of life, past and present. And it's in our DNA to explore and to ask why things are the way they are. In June of last year, NASA commissioned an independent study team to examine unidentified anomalous phenomena. We did so with a few goals in mind. First, to examine how NASA can use our expertise and instruments to study UAP from a scientific perspective. Second, shift the conversation about UAP from sensationalism to science, and to make sure that whatever we find or whatever we recommend, to make sure that information is shared transparently around the world. We have an understanding that, of course, ours is not the only galaxy. And there are billions and billions of galaxies, and each of those galaxies, including our own, have billions and billions of stars. And with the James Webb looking at the exoplanets, we are now beginning to discover, and somewhere out there, we will discover another medium-sized stony planet around a medium-sized sun or star at just the right distance, not too far, not too close, with a tilt in its axis that rotates, that has carbon, that will have a habitable atmosphere. If you ask me, do I believe there's life in a universe that is so vast that it's hard for me to comprehend how big it is? My personal answer is yes. But I asked some of our scientists. As a matter of fact, the Washington Post editorial board asked us to come down to the question, what is the mathematical probability that there is life out there in the universe? And if you calculate in billions of stars, in billions of galaxies, that there's replicated what I just said, another stony planet. The answer was, what's the likelihood? At least 1 trillion. That's from our scientists. We will use AI and machine learning to search the skies for anomalies as we have been searching the heavens and will continue to search the heavens for habitability. And NASA will do this transparently.